Hey guys, I hope you're having an awesome day today. It was a pretty awesome weekend. I got to meet a bunch of my favorite actors, and now we're looking at a short-term bullish movement, so we can trade off stuff here. Um, Today was our first trade hunting Monday session, so all the elite members of InvestShare every Monday now we are trading together as a group for an hour, and prepping for the week and prepping for the day. Right now we're in an energy web token trade with we're up like 4% so far. But yeah, let's look at the community profits really quick, and I'll show you what I see in the charts, and we'll make some more gains. So Shan, we got 32% gain off of an Ethereum trade, shorting. Fixer 6996, Bitcoin short for 6% gain, 12x leverage. Goonie 7% gain, 30x leverage. Be careful, by the way, because that when you use leverage, you're multiplying your fees. So you still got to make sure that you come out profitable. Even if it says that you're in a gain, you might not be after the fees hit. So just make sure you calculate your fees into your trades. Ethereum short with 13.5x leverage for Fate. Good job, man. Or ma'am, I'm not sure. Conzi Bitcoin trade, 54% gain off of a 10x leverage. Where is that level? 20,000. So yeah, you caught the rejection right after the Powell speech, right on. Frostbeam, 27% gain long, and 34% gain as well, longing Ethereum. It's probably your second take profit. Stop loss hit for 5-1 for a 31% gain. That's good. That's good trading behavior if you have your stop loss in the profit zone. All right, guys. We'll see. I'll see you on the inside. There's a lot of stuff we can go over and what we got to prepare for. Looking bullish short term. So yeah, let's take a look. All right, so let's look at the DXY really quick first. So we got that breakout, and now we got the rejection off this uptrending level of resistance I was looking at before, which I'm kind of glad because the amount of bullish activity it would take to get above this resistance level and then use it as support, it'd just be insane. So now we are getting that rejection, and we are currently seeing the DXY combat this as a level of support. If we end up breaking this support level, then we'll most likely drop right to 108.03, and the next strong level of support is at 107.59, and this could play off as a uptrending double top, this being the neckline, and this being the the double top here. Grab this technical target, it could bring us down to 105.75. However, by the time that were to occur, let's see. No, okay. So, yeah, I can see this actually playing out. So we come down here and use this as resistance at 107.78. The DXY comes down, gets rejected here. The next level of support will be 106.02. Around the time when you'd hit this support level and consolidate, then the September 20th is to be the date where they're going to be increasing the rates, most likely based off of the PCE information. They're probably going to be you're probably going to do another aggressive rate hike to about 50 to 75 basis points. So that'll be extremely bullish for the DXY and bearish for Bitcoin. But short term, it's looking like the DXY may start doing a downtrend until that date. But let's go over to Bitcoin really quick. Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is currently, all right, cool. So this morning I was tracking this double bottom formation with the group during the elite call, and it looks like it hit both of our targets, and now it's using this area of resistance right here. All right. So I'm doing this TA for This is new TA now. All right, so we got this area of resistance here to look out for Bitcoin. If we end up using it as support, then awesome. We'd be pulling the technical target for this. Where we got, yeah, it came up, broke, rejected here. The rejection momentum brought us back down for the confirmation bounce. The confirmation gave us enough momentum to break out of this downtrending level resistance. And now we're actually at the technical target already for this formation, because this looks like a broadening wedge, and the broadening wedge technical target is the top of the formation. So we hit two technical targets simultaneously. So from here, we're probably most likely going to start seeing sideways trading. So no real fun activity past this point, I believe. If we end up, for some reason, we end up using this as a level of support, then the next area you want to look out for potential reversal is at 20,600. So keep your eye out on that. If you're already in this long position, then congratulations. If we get rejected here in the lower time frames, you start seeing a reversal, like a double top, then it might be a good time to start taking profits and then moving your stop loss into the break-even zone. And if this acts as support, because it looks like we're starting to break above it, then yeah, here will be the area where you take your next profits. I just got an alert for Energy Web Token, so let's look at that together. All right, I actually have another chart open for this. There we go. So this is Energy Web Token. We entered off of the support bounce, actually, because we saw the potential double bottom playing out. And this is support off of this uptrending level support here from back in August 10th for Energy Web Token. Now, we traded on KuCoin, but they don't have a futures option. So if there's any opportunity to short, you won't be able to take it. But yeah, we entered here, stop loss here, and now we broke this double bottom formations neckline. It acted as support in the lower time frames, and now we're getting to a larger double bottom, more of a macro double bottom right here. It's hard to see with all these indicators. Let me just remove this really quick. But yeah, we got this playing out here. Now, if this comes up and acts as support, then you could technically enter a trade off of this. The risk-reward ratio won't be that great, but the technical target is up here at $4.92, with this area of interest right here that could potentially act as resistance at $4.75. If you start seeing any bearish activity here, it might be a good opportunity to close your trade early. Since we're already in a trade, investor members in a trade, I just want to let you guys know that we already spoke about this, but this little purple line here at $4.40, if this does not act as support between 440 and 446, then we might start seeing a rejection and come back down to retest the support level and start creating a ascending triangle formation. Ascending triangle looks something like this. So we got this rejection zone right here, rejection right here, and we might start seeing price action just coil up through here, and this would define whether or not we'd break this uptrending channel for Energy Web Token or not. If we break to the downside, then the technical target is the bottom of the formation. However, the momentum of breaking this large uptrending level support would most likely bring us much further down to around $3.25. What happens with Bitcoin is going to be a huge indication of whether or not we'll break to the downside or not. We start seeing bullish formations keep forming and forming and forming, then a break to the upside is the most likely scenario. All right, so I'm almost over time because I tend to try to keep these videos short for you guys because I like to respect your time. But I'm just going to check out Ethereum really quick for you guys as well. Let's close this really quick. And I changed my Bitcoin chart. Let me fix that quickly. All right, there we go. And all right, Ethereum. Lots of bullish activity as well. We broke a broadening wedge. I'm not entering off of this one, even if we get the support bounce, because the risk to reward ratio isn't really worth it. But things are looking bullish for Ethereum. If we come back down and use this level of support, we may continue to go towards the next area of interest. Let me pull up the VPVR really quick just so you know where that is. But I can guarantee you we'd struggle to get past 1559, 1560. Just going to pull up the VPVR. Indicators. I don't know sure why I don't have it open here. All right, got to adjust my settings. 200 row size, 100 area of volume. Yeah, so next area of interest is basically where I stated, 1575. So if we end up building support here, we are at an area, we're in a valley right now. Price action moves very quickly between valleys, so we'd see a really big candle going right to the next area of interest, and this is where we would struggle to get past. But yeah, things are looking good right now for Ethereum short term. But if you didn't enter here, then you shouldn't try to be entering a long position. It's kind of too late. All right, guys. I think that's everything I got for you. Things are looking great short term. The Mount Gox news, though, I do want to touch on that. I do believe that the Mount Gox news was fraudulent, that they're going to be releasing the tokens last Sunday, and it was it contributed to the bearish activity that we had after the Powell speech. It wasn't just the Powell speech that contributed toward the sell pressure. There's a lot of fear about what's going on with Mount Gox. If you're not familiar with Mount Gox, it was an exchange that got hacked back in 2014 when Bitcoin was only worth $400. And they have 137,000 Bitcoin ready to be released to the victims. This is the Mount Gox chart. This is their wallet, basically, their balance, and it hasn't decreased over the weekend like it was supposed to. There's about 137,000 Bitcoin to be released. And that sounds like a lot, but on average, based on our volume with Bitcoin, it only equates to about 5 to 8% of our daily volume. The impact, candle-wise, would be like, it wouldn't even be a 1% loss in the charts if they all sold immediately. But these are people that have been exposed to the market since Bitcoin was worth $400. So, yeah, these are probably people who are in it for the long haul. Either way, they've been exposed to Bitcoin this long. They understand the super cycles. So they'll probably be holding it during the bear market and get ready to just sell it during the bull market. But yeah, this is a good chart for you guys to track. It's the Mount Gox balance on Glassnode Studio. You might not have access to it unless you pay for their second tier, at least, based on this. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about what I've stated, you can reach out to me in the Discord. I'll do my best to help you out. The link to join the Discord is down below. There's a free section, and then there's also a paid section as well, so you can receive signals from about 5 different professional traders, including myself. But yeah, guys, you have yourself an amazing day, and thanks for watching. And also, tomorrow I'll release the winner for the free strategy course. I forgot to do that today. I'll have to go through and do the lottery system and see who wins the free course. But yeah, stay tuned tomorrow to see if you're the winner for the free course for commenting and subscribing. We're going to be doing that every week. So if you want to potentially win it, just be a subscriber and you'll be good to go. All right, thanks guys. Have yourself an amazing day.